10 benefits of apple cider vinegar you'll wish you'd known before. The famous baking soda now has a powerful rival in terms of being an all-around household solution, and it's none other than apple cider vinegar. It sits meekly next to your baking soda and other pantry products, but after watching this video, you'll never take your bottle of apple cider vinegar for granted ever again. Aside from adding an extra kick to your salads, apple cider vinegar could also replace some of your beauty and health products. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, lauds the health benefits of this light brownish liquid. It can treat sunburn, detoxify your liver, relieve heartburn, exfoliate skin, and remove dandruff, as well as a whole bunch of surprising uses you won't believe it capable of. Today, Brightside will share with you the top 10 benefits of apple cider vinegar. Before we get started, click the subscribe button and turn on the little notification bell. Now you won't miss all the helpful tips appearing daily on the bright side of life. Let's start with number 10, removes dandruff. The sun is high in the sky and you notice tiny white flecks on your shoulders. That's not snow. Awkward. You've tried different anti-dandruff shampoos, but they aggravate your flaky situation. Are you itching to solve this and put an end to your embarrassing condition? Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle. After you shampoo, spray this mixture onto your hair. Put a shower cap on your head and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Apply this remedy once or twice a week. Number 9. Exfoliate skin. You've spent hundreds of dollars on facial treatments and fancy skin creams, but that stubborn acne and those pimples won't leave your beautiful face. Here comes the mighty apple cider vinegar. It can do these things more effectively and for only a few pennies. Amazing! Make it a natural skin toner by mixing 2 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Dab a cotton ball in the solution and apply it to your clean, dry face before you sleep. Do not rinse your face so that the apple cider vinegar's malic and lactic acids can work on your skin overnight. Number 8. Vinegar bath. If your apple cider vinegar facial toner yields positive results, why not level up a bit by making a vinegar bath? We know what your inquisitive mind is thinking. Won't it leave a sour smell on my body? Nope. In fact, it kills the bacteria that produce body odor. Apple cider vinegar also restores the skin's natural acidity, or pH level, making it smoother and healthier. Your skin should maintain a pH level of 4.5 to 5.5, but this changes because of the chemicals in your soap. Here's how to prepare a vinegar bath. Fill your tub with warm water. Dilute 1 to 2 cups of apple cider vinegar in the water. Get in the tub and soak your body for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Number 7. Soothe sore throats. Stop that coughing fit and itchy throat with apple cider vinegar. A joint study by Konkuk University of Seoul and Indian Institute of Technology Madras of Chennai found that it contains antibacterial properties that can help cure a sore throat. Pick your poison. You can mix it with honey, lemon juice, or green tea. How? The first option is lemon juice and a green tea bag. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and lemon juice in a glass of warm water. Put a green tea bag in the glass. The second sore throat reliever is honey. Dilute 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of vinegar in a mug of warm water. Drink either of these until your sore throat is gone. Number 6. Relieves sinus infections. Do you feel pain above or below your eyes? Is your voice hoarse and stuffy? When you blow your nose, is the discharge yellowish? If you've experienced all of these, then you probably have a sinus infection or sinusitis. Reduce it by making a DIY rinse or steam. For the DIY rinse, mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of warm water. Slowly pour the mixture into your palm and inhale it through your nostrils. Since there is a chance that the vinegar rinse may spill onto your hands, try DIY steam instead. You'll need a saucepan, towel, and cup for this home remedy. Mix half a cup of vinegar with half a cup of water. Boil until steam appears. Turn off the stove. Wrap a towel over your head and neck. Carefully inhale the steam over the steaming saucepan. Perform any of these procedures until your sinus infection is gone. Number 5. Removes razor burns. The aftermath of a rigorous shaving session is razor burns. Your unwanted hair is removed, but it's now replaced with an angry rash and burning sensation. Ouch! The troubles of achieving flawless skin. Thanks to the anti-inflammatory properties of apple cider vinegar, you can now easily get rid of razor burns. Pour apple cider vinegar into a cup. You can mix equal parts of vinegar and water if you have sensitive skin. Apply a small amount of it to a cotton ball. Pat the affected area with it and let it air dry. Rinse with water. Repeat this 2 or 3 times a day until the affected area calms down. Number 4. Removes bruises. Bruises from an injury or extreme physical activity can heal after a week or 2, but the mark left behind usually takes a month to fade. Speed up the process by applying apple cider vinegar. Here's what you're going to do. Soak a piece of clean cotton in apple cider vinegar. Apply it to the bruised area. Leave it for an hour. Rinse afterward. Number 3. Relieves heartburn. Nope, this medical condition is not associated with your heart. How do you know if it's heartburn, also known as acid reflux? You cannot swallow easily. You're coughing. There's pain in your upper abdomen, as if it burns. You have a sore throat, and there's a sour taste in your mouth. You can lessen the burning sensation in your stomach by drinking a glass of water mixed with 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar during a meal. Number 2. Detoxifies the liver. Your liver is the busiest and largest organ in your body. According to Medical News Today, it carries out 500 distinct functions in the human body. Some of its roles are breaking down the food you eat, helping blood clots during injury, improving metabolism, storing vitamins and minerals, and strengthening your immune system. Due to its hectic schedule, yup, it's busier than you, the liver can regenerate. But there is a condition. It should always be kept healthy. However, liver regeneration takes longer or malfunctions because of an unhealthy lifestyle or alcohol abuse. Help your liver to be as good as new again by drinking an apple cider vinegar solution and flushing out those harmful toxins. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of vinegar in a glass of water. Drink this before eating a meal. You can add a bit of honey to sweeten the sour taste. Number 1. Treats sunburn. The sun's UV rays are truly unforgiving on your skin. A stroll along the beach or simply walking outside at the worst times of the day can cause sunburn, especially in the summer months. WebMD advises staying indoors between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. But what if your job requires you to work outside? Let the healing properties of apple cider vinegar provide you with temporary relief. Mix equal parts of water and vinegar in a spray bottle and apply this to the affected area. If you don't have a spray bottle, use a clean cloth and dab the mixture in it. Before you try the tips in this video, keep in mind these general guidelines. Apply the vinegar to a small patch of skin first to check if it irritates your skin. Avoid the eyes and ears when applying it. Make sure it has mother in it. Whoa! What in the world is this mother? According to Bragg, one of the top producers of apple cider vinegar, the mother is the dark, cloudy, cobweb-like substance in the vinegar. In layman's terms, it's the secret sauce that makes apple cider vinegar so effective. Only by organic, raw, fresh, unfiltered, unheated, and unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. Do you know of any other uses for apple cider vinegar? Share them with us in the comments. Don't forget to share this video and hit the like button so everyone will be aware of how amazing this vinegar is. Stay updated with our new interesting videos and join us on the bright side of life.